Now moving on to oil spills and marine pollution. Oil spills in rivers, seas and oceans are caused by accidents involving tankers, refineries and pipelines. Right. So what happens when there is accidentally some oil spill, oil forms a layer over the water surface, which is going to lead to deoxygenation, means reduction in the amount of oxygen, dissolved oxygen in that water body. So what are the reasons for these oil spills? Carelessness, equipment breaking down. Sometimes it happens that due to carelessness oil spills can be there. Sometimes the equipment can break, leading to oil spill. During war also, sometimes countries or the terrorists do it actually just to harm the people or create troubles for the country, right? So next is natural disaster. Sometimes, for example, there are cyclones or hurricanes, due to which if the tanker is carrying that oil, it can be captured, and this leads to that oil spill, means leakage of oil from that refinery, from that pipeline or from that tanker, you can say. So these are the reasons for oil spills. Carelessness, the equipment sometimes breaks down. During war also this can be done intentionally, and due to natural disasters also this could be the reason of oil spill. Then what are the effects of oil spill? This is something that should be known to you. First of all, deoxygenation. As I told you already, that if there is a layer of oil over the surface of the water body, this is going to lead to the reduction in the amount of dissolved oxygen. So leading to deoxygenation. So this then destroys animal life. Because of lack of oxygen, animal life is destroyed, and sometimes this oil may catch fire. This can catch fire and lead to destruction of all life forms that are there in the marine water body, you can say. Next, moving on to marine pollution. Oil spill itself is one of the major reasons of marine pollution, and the other reasons for marine pollution are the human activities, waste from other water bodies like the discharges from small rivers, lakes. When they are discharged into water bodies, this can lead to marine pollution. Then waste disposed from ships such as plastic. Now the plastic waste is so harmful for the seabirds that eventually many seabirds have died due to the consumption of this plastic waste in the marine water bodies. So these are the reasons or the sources of marine pollution. I'll tell you something more about this. There was an oil tanker in 1988, in 1989 in Alaska. An oil tanker actually got leaked out, and there was an oil spill in Alaska 1989. So that oil spill damaged mostly all of the coral reefs in that particular area, and the death of around 39,000 aquatic birds. So 39,000 aquatic birds actually died because of this oil spill in Alaska. So oil spill is one of the major cause of marine pollution. So let us see through this animation what are these oil spills and how this marine pollution can lead to that threatening of life to aquatic life. See what happens. Just look at the sea. It is contaminated, polluted with this plastic waste. Lot of plastic waste, lots of garbage dumpings, and our oceans, they are being polluted by all of this, by plastic waste, by dumping or by the sideway landfills. So 46,000 pieces of plastic per square kilometer of the world's oceans. 46,000 pieces of plastics per square kilometer. They are just dumped into the oceans, killing 1 million seabirds. So this is quite shocking that the dumping of this waste, this plastic waste into oceans has caused the death of millions of seabirds. So this is how per year we are losing our aquatic life because of just these foolish human activities that needs to be checked. So we are losing those important organisms, those important species that are crucial for our food chain. So this beautiful creature died. Can you tell me how this beautiful creature died? Well, the answer is that this beautiful creature actually swallowed this 20 square feet of plastic bag. This creature died because of swallowing 20 square feet of plastic bag. But we can definitely help. How we can help? We can actually stop using plastic bottles, because this dumping of plastic that I told you, waste disposed from ships such as plastic, this dumping of plastic has become one of the major reasons of marine pollution besides oil spills. So always pick up trash on the beach, or else it will end up in one of the ocean's garbage patches. So whatever you're going to litter, whatever you're going to throw in just as it is, such as plastic, this is definitely going into the sea or affecting the marine life, and we will lose these such beautiful creatures one day. So these are the effects of marine pollution. Oil spill is one of the major reason, and the other big reason of marine pollution is this use of plastic, which is actually just disposed of into the water bodies, and the results you have seen, we are losing our aquatic life, 1 million seabirds per year. So this needs to be checked.